Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. Insist upon yourself. Be original. Originality is simply a pair of fresh eyes. True originality consists not in a new manner, but in a new vision. Don't live in someone's shadow. You will just be stuck in the dark. I hold firmly to my original views. After all, I am a philosopher, Voltaire. Be a voice, not an echo. Be yourself. The world worships the original. I always took a great deal of pride in being original. An envious heart can't be original. You were born an original. Don't become a copy. If you walk in the footprints of others, you won't make any of your own. Be bold or italic, never regular. Dare to be different. The world is full of the ordinary. I really think that being yourself, being original, being outside the box is starting to be appealing to people. The ultimate truth is so simple. It is nothing more than being in one's natural, original state. Surrender is to give oneself up to the original cause of one's being. The masses have no habit of self-reliance or original action. Pretension almost always overdoes the original and hence exposes itself. You have got to be original because if you are like someone else, what do they need you for? I would rather live the life of an unknown original than to live a life of a famous clone. Once conform, once do what others do because they do it, and a kind of lethargy steals over all the finer senses of the soul. A person who is trying to copy others will be a successful person for a while, but he won't be able to succeed further in life. Ratan Tata. For the integrated human being, there is no past. There is only the continual transformation of original experience. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.